let's look at it from a different perspective. There is my workroom. So this is my new workroom. Hello, hi. For those of you who know me, my 10 million viewers and my 25,000 subscribers, I have to say that I have been off sick for this period of time that you haven't seen me. But now that I'm back, I last videoed and told you that I was moving house. I showed you that I was moving after I refurbished that house. Well, once again, we moved to a new house, and the reason you haven't seen me too much is because I was ill, as well as that I've been refurbishing this house. So I've done the kitchen, we've done the garden, we've built this lovely little workroom which I'm now in, and you can see it's kind of different, way different from the ones that I've been in before. It is much smaller and it's made out of wood, and guess what? We didn't build it ourselves, we got somebody in to quickly do it for us. So it's been up now since November, and I'm getting ready now to open up the business and to deal with my viewers for your requests of what you want to learn or to help with something that you're studying, garment wise, or even curtains. But I must say as well, what I'm going to do now is I'm having a new website made, and on this website I'm going to have a calculator on it, hopefully if things go well, so that you can actually just press a button and order your wooden Venetian blinds and verticals and Roman blinds and curtains. So I hope that goes well. So that's my new website coming out. Everybody knows my website, which is www.deswags@hotmail.co.uk. I'll put it down there so you can read it yourself. But anyway, so I wanted to show you my workroom. So as you can see, I offer my eyelid service. So you can come in and use it yourself, or come in and learn how to use it, or you can give me the order and I'll do the eyelids for you. All you have to do is to pay a small fee and buy the eyelids. At the moment I only have 40 centimeter eyelid holes. Okay, so as you can see, my workroom is empty at the moment. You can hear the hollowness, and over here I have my, at the moment, just 2 machines. So I've got to get the other machines in, and it's so small, so quite a lot of the stuff I've got to get rid of. I had one person already came and bought one of my sewing machines. That was really sad to go, but he came, I gave him a nice offer and he took it. So hello, I forgot what your name was, but hello, I hope you enjoy the machine. So as you can see, I've got my sewing machine and my feller machine, and all the other 2 machines, the overlocker and another flat industrial machine will be coming as well. And these are what I teach people on. I've got some little baby machines as well, if you can't handle that, but I'll get you used to it. Another thing that I'm offering is the service of to come in and I will teach you how to sew, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an experienced person that just might be stuck on certain things, or there's something that you want to show me. I don't mind, just come and we'll have a whale of a time. So at the moment I've got an order that I've got to do, and that is a Roman blinds. Now I know I've shown you Roman blinds already, but I think I'll show you this one again, but I'm not going to show you all of it in great details because I've got so many videos out there. You know, I've got around 400 videos over. So this one, I wasn't too sure whether I explained. It's a bay window I'm going to be making, right? So when I make this bay window, I'm not going to cut them and make them one at a time. What I do, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to lay it on my table, and as you can see, my nice long table. Doesn't it look good? It's the same table I've had now over 20 odd years, the top part, and you've seen me remade it, and my husband's made it all the time. So I'm going to make this Roman blind, and then I'm going to show you how I get all the slats and all the rods all the same size, because I do it as though I'm making one long Roman blind, and then somewhere along the line, then I cut it, then I separate it and make 3 Roman blinds for a bay window. So that's going to be the first thing. And then after that, when you start rolling in with your questions, I'll do my best to answer as many questions I can and show you what you need to know. Here we go. Thank you for watching my video.